Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file that they created in Corel, and then I created this because they want to know, they watched somebody's video and they sent me the link. They want to know how to make this even. Well, they're using the mesh fill tool. So if we just took an ellipse and go ahead and fill it in with yellow and take away the outline, and let's actually put P, put it in the center of the page, and let's move this out of the way. And then grab your mesh fill tool. I very seldom ever use it, but we're just going with 2x2 right now because you could change that. And then around on the lines, double click and add a new node. See what it's doing? So to get these perfect, it's difficult. Well, it's real difficult. You can see the problem. Normally that's not a problem, just bringing these nodes in. But there's no way to me to get, it's a little irritating, to get this to be perfect. Because then you could select that node and make it that dark orange. Well, I'm trying just to grab that one node, make it that dark orange. Now, here's a little deal. If you select all four of these and then hold down the shift and deselect that one, you can do the same. But look at the, let me just do a few more. Look at the, so I'm deselecting that one. You could work on this for hours to get, and the gentleman that does it does a good job. But they're trying to figure out how to make a more perfect circle. Well, look how perfect this is. So the way I would do it is make an ellipse. Go ahead and hit P, and let's make it orange. Take away the outline. Let's take Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, bring it outwardly a little bit, but make that one yellow. And then go up to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see the ring. Well, I did just the opposite of colors. So I need this to be orange and this one to be yellow. There we go. Now, granted, it looks fuzzy and kind of risen, but look at mine. So all you have to do is take these two, select them both, go up to Effects and Blend, and you could pick any number. I think mine's set on 200. Look what it did. It put that ring around there and kind of, in a way, kind of blend. Well, it did blend it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Holding down the Shift key so it'll grow in from the inside. Now let's grab this and blend it. That looks pretty good. Now, you can't just do this on this because this is a blend. So select it all, go up to Object, break the blend apart, then grab your yellow and get your mesh fill tool. And we're going to just double click right there. Now, select off of it and just put a little bit of white right there in the middle. And then double click. You only want one done. And so that's a little bit bigger than the other one, but you can move it. And I could actually make my white a little bit bigger, but that's pretty perfect. I mean, if you were trying to, I don't know what they're really going to do with this, kind of a shiny object. But mesh fill tool is good. I just don't ever use it. And I've never had really seen this done, which is pretty ingenious. But give that a try and see if that doesn't help. Thank you for watching.